Mag-i-interview tayo ng mga nagtatrabaho dito sa palengke.
Ayos po.
Ano yung pangalan po?
Marco po.
Okay. Ilang taon ka na po nagtatrabaho?
Mahigit, 6 na taon na po.
Matatagal ka na rin pala. So, nakakatanggap ka na ng mga benefits like mga pension, gano'n.
Wala po, pero offering po sa ibang company. Meron po.
Pag in-offeran ka ba ng sa ibang company, i-grab mo ba yun?
Kung libre foods po sana, okay lang po.
Okay. So, maganda naman yung flow ng trabaho dito. Wala naman mga conflict sa mga katrabaho or sa boss.
Okay naman po, medyo nakakaantok lang po dito.
So, pag sabi nakakaantok, wala ka bang sapat na tulog sa mga sa ano?
Okay naman po, nakakatulog naman.
Ba't ka na inaantok?
Siguro, ano lang siya, nakakaranas lang siya ng head pressure, out of balance. Also, we have out generic pharmacy, but buy now, BioBlue.
Ang galing niyo po sumagot sa mga question natin. So,
Yes, I'm very professional.
Okay. You're so good.
Yeah. By the way, he's asking students as very informative for me. When you have any asking questions, I have any questions for you.
Okay. What is it?
How old are you?
I can't disclose my age because of some privacy.
I guess you are 18.
It's far from that, but a little bit lonely.
Oh, 13. 13.
Okay, 13 is a perfect.
Wow, guys, so
Oh.
perfect.
What?
Okay, next question.
Yes.
Another one, do you have a husband or ex-spouse?
No. Nor?
Nor
Yes.
you ain't have anybody?
Nothing.
Why? Why should?
Because
What is the perfect decision making? Why you not open any
I don't want to because it's Ba't ako dito sa English?
Okay.
What do you call it in English? Next question.
Okay. Okay. Any questions again?
Yes.
Last question, but not the least also.